Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to tackle one of those items on your car that can make it look so much older than it really is, and that's the headlights. Once these haze over, it just makes the whole car look dated and abused. So today we're going to try Turtle Wax's Headlight Lens Restore. It's about 17 bucks and you can't beat that value. Let's see what we got to do. So let's start by taking a look at what you get in this kit. Now everything that you see here is what comes in this box. So you have your lens compound, your lubricant, you then, after all of that work, you get to do your base coat, then the sealing wipe. These are actually numbered, so you can see that's got a number 4, number 3 on the other side. This is a number 1 and number 2. These are how you actually sand down the lenses using the lubricant spray. They also are nice enough to give you one of those lunch lady mitts, so we'll probably use it just to make sure our hands stay clean. It is a good kit, but the thing that I thought is I could use this for 2. Nope, it is 1 car use. So 17 bucks, 1 car use. We can get more of these and I'll look those up. Remember, everything that I'm using here is in the description below, so make sure you look at that if you're ever interested in doing this. First step, super simple. I'm going to use some great value glass cleaner and clean the headlights so that we have a nice surface to start that doesn't have dirt and debris on it, because that's not going to help anything. Now most likely I'm just going to show you what I'm doing on one headlight, but you would do the exact same process on both. Even going to clean a little bit around the edges just to make sure that we can get it as clean as possible. And look, it does have a little dirt on it, but not too bad. Now we can go to step 2. So now we're on to step 2, where you take a cotton cloth and you take their lens clarifying compound and you start buffing it basically. And then we'll use another cloth to wipe it off. It says that if you get it clear after this, you're pretty much done and we can go to the protection and coating stage. If not, we use the sanders. So let's see how good this is. Friendly reminder, these are sealed. I didn't know that. But they come off easy. Make sure to shake and start applying. It does say use firm pressure, so I'm going to give it some grease. Also for step 2, it recommends that you use blue painter's tape just to make sure that you don't get any scratches on your paint. So I did that for both of them. All right, let's just apply some of this and see what's going to start happening here. Ooh, look at that. So it is taking some of that yellow off, which is great, but I think we're going to have to sand still. All right, let's wipe this stuff off. All right, let's take a look. This is much, much clearer, but down here you can still see that there's some fog, so we are going to go into the sanding process, but I do want to show you the difference between this one and this one. So you can see that this is much more filled in there and not as good. All right, let's continue step 2 with sanding. All right, for step 2, we're going to be using number 1 and the spray lubricant, and we will spray the lubricant on here and then onto the lens. It says to only use number 1 on the heavily oxidized parts, so that's what I'm going to try to do, and we're going to see how well this takes it off. These are reusable pads, so that means that you can clean them and keep using them, which is kind of nice. I know it said to do it just over the heavily oxidized, but these things were so bad that I couldn't do it. I gotta get this thing clean. Don't forget, use as much spray lubricant as you need. This is also where that painter's tape comes in handy, because I would have just sanded some of my paint. I'm liking that I see a lot of oxidation on there. That yellow is the oxidation. Now we're going to flip to side 2 and we're going to go 90 degrees. So this will be all up and down motion. So with the first pad complete, we're gonna do number 3 and then number 4. It will keep up with the same way that we transition. So we went up and down last for number 2. We'll go left to right for number 3 and then back to up and down for number 4. All right, side 3 done, side 4. Oh, we're supposed to be going up and down, don't forget. Up and down on this one. Now we have used 1, 2, 3, and 4, so it's obviously the most coarse to the finest. And now, let's see what this looks like. All right, well, the oxidation is getting off, and now guess what we get to do? Another round of the polishing compound. Oh, this is looking so as I'm doing this, I can see down here, I was not able to get it all off. So just want to give it a visual inspection because I can go back over it with some more. Yep, and I think I will. I think I'll touch this area, maybe just make sure that whole bottom area is done better. I'm gonna go back with a 3 and 4 on this one. All right, let's wipe this down again. Oh, much better. It is getting to be beautiful. I love it. It's doing good. Now you're saying to yourself, it still looks hazy. And I agree, it does. But that's because we have to do the compound again, which will help clarify it. Now we compound. All right, got the compound. And now we rub. And rub hard, because obviously you're polishing it. You can already see that it's getting clearer. So we let it haze up a little and now we can wipe it all off. Oh man. Oh, that's so nice. Now we get to use our school lady lunch cafeteria mitt, and we're going to do the lens base coat wipe. I will tell you, according to the directions, you must have both of the headlights done because this one packet will do both. So obviously when you open this, wipe it on this one, wipe it on the other one, and then we'll go to the final sealant. Probably should have had my lunch lady glove on already. Oh, lunch lady, would you like some sloppy joe? Sloppy joe now. Sloppy joe, sloppy joe now. Once dry, we can do the lens sealing wipe. And this is the last step. Hopefully it's gonna make it look better. Ooh, this one is slippery. I'll warn you on that. Let's go ahead and open her up. I feel like this is a better way to probably do this. Oh, look at that. Man, if that stays looking that good, that is amazing. I just want to make sure I got all of the light. Oh, what a transformation! That did make a huge difference. I gotta save enough for the other headlight though. Okay, so I know that I said that I wasn't maybe thinking that it was 100%. I will tell you, if this stays like this after the sealant, this is amazing. That looks like a brand new headlight. I love it. Now, according to the manufacturer, you need to wait 24 hours before you wash or anything your vehicle. But as soon as it dries, you can go ahead and drive your vehicle. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and take off the painter's tape and just let's look at this marvel. All right, let's take a look. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm going to show some befores and some after. For 16 bucks, I will tell you this is well worth the money. All right, guys, you know I like to tell you how it is. And if this didn't work, I would definitely tell you that it didn't work. But I will say the turtle wax lens repair, totally amazing. It blew me away, and it's just clear. It looks brand new. I really thought that it would do a good job, but this has impressed me. So, if you're looking to restore your headlights, I totally suggest this. Click in the description below and it'll send you right to it where you can order yours. They're like $16, $17, so it is a tremendous deal for how much a headlight cost. Anyway, hope to see you guys next time. We'll see you then.